Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about Walgreens and like just under a $5 money maker on some vitamins and Valentine's Day cards using a triple stack. And I am loving these triple stacks. I hope it never ends. But it's been a really nice addition to this month just to get like freebies, which is like Walgreens from 5 years ago. So we're going to look at my triple stack right off the cuff. So if you have these following loaded to your store card and you have not used them, by all means do this deal. So the first is 10 back when you spend 50. I have 10 back when I spend 30 in vitamins or supplements. And $9 of Walgreens cash when you spend 40. So I went a little different for this one. What I grabbed for it was 2 of the $9.49 Flintstone vitamins on a buy one, get one 50% off. I only like gummy vitamins. I don't like the big giant horse pills. So that's why kind of going with that. And digitally, we have one coupon that is attaching to these Flintstones. That is this $3 one. If you head over to your coupons.com app, there's also another $3 digital that you can apply for after doing the deal. So that's $6 back on those vitamins. Fetch Rewards is giving back $1.50. So that's not bad. And another one of these massive one-a-days for $20.99. For whatever reason, guys, on this one account that I have, I actually had a $7 digital coupon, which is really fantastic. So load this, and this is the massive bottle of vitamins. And then the final thing that I grabbed was 5 of the Valentine's Day Hallmark cards at $3.69. For whatever reason, with these Valentine's Day cards, we have these really high value digital coupons, and my accounts usually have like between 7 and 8 of them. So I utilized 5 digital coupons to go with. Hopefully you have the same ones that I'm describing, but just to show you, you're going to need at least 5 of these. So $15 of digitals. I hope you can follow what I'm saying, how great this is going to be. Okay, so looking at the math for this, that massive one-a-day for $20.99, 2 of the Flintstone vitamin gummies for $14.23, 5 Hallmark Valentine's Day cards for $3.69 a pop is $18.45, for a grand total of $53.67. Get the cashier to scan your 9 back when you spend 40 paper booster. Along with digitally, you need the 10 back when you spend 30 on vitamins and 10 back when you spend 50 on the basket. $25 in digital manufacturers melting off right there. So with my debit card, I'm paying $28.67, getting back $29 in Walgreens cash, $3 from coupons.com for the purchase of the Flintstones, and then 1,500 points back from Fetch, making this free plus a $4.83 money maker. Let's not forget, class, not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess up your spend boosters. The next 2 deals, I have been talking about it this week, but I think that everybody should at least try and look for these items because they're so fantastic. The Nivea men's for $3.49 will be $3.19 with 10% off. For a lot of you that love to look at the tags, boom, here's the tag. A lot of the stores I was visiting, they weren't even tagged. So, I mean, definitely BOLO, be on the lookout for these. The magic of why this is such a great deal, guys, is that IBOTTA is giving back $1 per can of shaving cream. You can do it up to 5 times. Mine reset yesterday, so I was able to apply again. Coupons.com has a progressive spend 20, get back 6. And yes, these cans are in fact part of that dealio. Okay, guys, 2 of those Nivea shave creams is $6.38. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.38. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, $2 back from IBOTTA. I call this a smart deal. Remember, if you're not doing this with a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it for this scenario because it's called a buy deal. And also, if you wanted to grab, say, 4 cans or 6 cans, get $10 back, $15 back. Yes, that works. And I, in fact, did that on Tuesday. The next super duper deal that I absolutely love is with the Clorox Disinfectant Mist. I saw this at Meijer and it was $7.99. Whew. But $4.99 is even a really cheap price point if you think about it. So they're practically giving it away. What makes this deal so sweet is that IBOTTA is giving back $2. Coupons.com is also giving back $2. So that's $4 back right there. Looking at the math for this, one of the disinfectant wipes is $4.99, $2 back from coupons.com app, $2 back from IBOTTA, $2.99. Super smart deal. And just to give you guys a quick little peek, yes, I did get back my money from both the Nivea shave gels and then the Clorox disinfecting mist. IBOTTA is an app that's absolutely terrific when you can save money on items that are really cheap at Walgreens and then get extra savings. If you've been shy about signing up for this app, today's the day. Sign up with my link in the notes, and I think you get an extra $10 when you use my referral code for new IBOTTA signups. Now a store that I really don't shop at a lot, but when they have deals, I go running. It's Office Depot or Max. I believe it's the same company. These specific Method wipes, the wipes were $2, so I passed on that. But the cleaner and the hand soap, those were $1 each. Look for them merchandised on a regular clearance aisle or in the regular section. For the disinfectant sprays, we have Wild Flower and Bamboo. Those are the 2 cents. 28 fluid ounces, nothing to sneeze at. And then these hand soaps in coconut water and lemon mint that are the regular price, I think, is like $4.68, $1. I mean, so if Method is your thing, by all means, start the car and get to the store. Nobody's really talking about this either. I don't know why. These Method wipes were $2. Considering that we can get them so much cheaper over at Walgreens during a sales week, I would rather do that. A little bit too bourgeois, $2 for these. And they're all-purpose cleaning wipes. They're not disinfectant. At least I don't see it there written up. Here are the UPCs if you want to type them into BrickSeek with your zip code to see if your location or your zip area, whatever, might have it. So these are the UPCs for the first 3. And for the last 2 hand soaps, whenever you can get Method or Mrs. Meyer for 82 to 86, 90% off, that's when I would pull the trigger on this because it's such a great deal if you like this fancier stuff. I know it's not for everybody, but I do love Method. My husband specifically likes to clean or have that hand soap. He doesn't like anything too perfumey. Everything I like, polar opposites, but this is a winner for him. Store that we have is Rite Aid, and I haven't been there in a long time. The bonus cash challenges are so unique per store card that I know that a lot of the deals I'm doing none of you would be interested in, thus don't really do it. But we have a couple deals this week that might be of interest, that even those Revlon hair dryers are free. So if that interests you and you have a Rite Aid pharmacy, this will be a deal for you. And Rite Aid is its own entity. It's not the same as Walgreens. Please do not ask in the comments. It's not also CVS. It's its own thing. Google if you might have a Rite Aid, yay or nay. First item we're going to grab for this basket is one of these Revlon hair dryers for $13.29, 30% off. So this guy is actually ringing up for $9.30 this week. However, you're getting back $10 in bonus cash for buying one of those. So it makes it free plus a 70-cent moneymaker, limit 2 per store card for this. And then these Daylogical sponges, the price is spend 10, get back 3. So not the worst deal. You're getting a little something back for these bath sponges if that's your thing. And then I grabbed one of the Downy fabric softeners for $5.44. I'm so close to finishing this bonus cash challenge. So that's why I picked it up. I think I got $3 back for this. So I think it's a pretty good deal for me. I'm trying to finish up a lot of these. And if you finish all of them, you get $70 at the beginning of the next month. I also got the cashier to scan this, grab a screenshot. It's a 5 off 25 that you can use more than once. Looking at the basket that I got, one Downy for $5.44, one Revlon hairdryer for $9.30, 2 Daylogical sponges, so a big pack and then a single one for $10.78 for a grand total of $25.52. Got the cashier to scan off my phone, the 5 off 25, plus I had $1 digital for the Downy. I paid $19.52. I basically rolled my bonus cash and then I got back 13. 10 for the Revlon, 3 for Daylogical sponges, and $3 back from the bonus cash challenges for Downy. So a win, 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 any way you look at it. Now, this might be the best deal if you just want to run out and do a deal. Grab 2 of the Revlon hair dryers priced at $9.30 for $18.60, and then the Daylogical, a 3-pack and a single sponge for $10.78 for a grand total of $29.38. Get the cashier to scan that barcode off your cell phone. Pay $24.38, get $23 back in bonus cash. $20 for Revlon, $3 for Daylogical. So like $1.38 for 2 hair dryers and 4 of those sponges. I think that's a super duper deal. Going off the menu, if you don't like what I've picked, the clearance section has a lot of different body washes, bar soap, all that stuff, and a lot of it's like 70-80% off. 75 probably for most of it. But you might want to look through it, especially if this is your thing. I think a lot of these products are being discontinued or they're changing around the bottles, but you might want to look through your clearance section. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.